Hi students, now discuss about types of immunity based on the existence, based on the response evoked by the individual against the antigens, microbes. Immunity is two types: humoral immunity. Next, second one is cell-mediated immunity. In this, first one, humoral immunity. Okay, student. In this humoral immunity, immunity by the antibodies released into the fluids of body. Student, in this type of the humoral immunity, okay, in humoral immunity, antibodies are releases into antibodies are the proteins. Okay, these are releases from the B cells. Okay, these are the antibodies are releases into the body fluids to fight against the antigen. Releases into the body fluids such as plasma of the blood and the lymph of lymphatic system. Okay, that flows through the lymph vessels, lymph ducts, lymph capillaries, and generated due to interaction of the B cell with free antigens. Student, these are the antigens. Antigens are identified by the B cells. Okay, and these are the B cells which are the main cells in the immune system. These are the B cells are interact with the free antigens. Where free antigens are present in the body, these are the antigens are interact with the B cells. At that time, this is the humoral immunity is generated. Humor means body fluid, student. These are the antibodies releases into the body fluids. So it is called humoral immunity. And in secondary lymphoid organs, SLO, secondary lymphoid organs. Secondary lymphoid organs, already you know, malt, mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Okay, next, and the student spleen, it is also a lymph nodes. These are act as secondary lymphoid organs. Okay, in these secondary lymphoid organs, antigens bind to Fab end of the antibodies present on surface of B cells. Student, this is the B cell, this is the B cell, cell membrane of the B cell membrane of the B cell that consists antibodies, attaches with the antibodies. These are antibodies, student. And this is the end of the, okay, student, this is the end of the antibody, that is called Fab end, fragment of the antigen binding. This is the Fab end, student. These are Fab ends. Okay, these are the Fab ends of the antibody of B cell binds with the antigen. Okay, student, this is the free antigen. Free antigen binds to the Fab end of the antibody of B cell, which is present on the, this is the Fab end of the antibody present on the surface of B cell. Next, they engulf process the antigens, that is the antigen engulfed by the B cell and processed by the B cell in the inner part. Okay, and after the processing of the antigen, this is the B cell display the antigenic fragments on their membrane with the help of the class 2 MSC molecules. Okay, student, these are class 2 MSC molecules present on the surface of B cell. This is the surface of the B cell that shows class 2 MSC molecule. These are class 2 MSC molecule. Antigen entered into the inner part. This is processed by the B cell. After the processing of the antigen, processed fragment of the antigen is shows by the MSC2 molecule, class 2 MSC molecules. of the B cell. Okay, student. Next, and T helper cells recognize them. This is the existence of the antigenic fragment by the class 2 MSC molecule of the B cell. Okay, this is the presentation is identified by the T helper cell. This is the T helper cell, student. It is the presentation is identified by the T helper cell, and T helper cells recognize them and interact with the antigen MSC2 complex release type of the interleukin. Student, when this is the T helper cell, this is the T helper cell, identify the antigenic fragment which is shown by the MSC2 molecule of the B cell, and it is recognized by the T helper cell by the help of the T cell receptor. Okay, and it is stimulates, T helper cell is stimulate. This is the antigen MSC2 complex, student. Antigen MSC2 complex. Antigen, this is the antigen, this is the MSC2 molecule. Both are combined, and MSC2 molecules present the antigenic fragment to the T helper cell. Okay, both are combined and forms the antigen MSC2 complex. Antigen MSC2 complex is identified by T helper cell, and it is stimulates and releases interleukins. Student, releases interleukins. Okay, release the type of the interleukin, a type of the interleukins. Next, interleukins stimulate B cells to proliferate and differentiation into memory cells and the plasma cells. Student, by the interleukins which is secreted by the T helper cell, and these are the interleukins are one type of the cytokines. These are the interleukins stimulates the B cell into the proliferation or differentiation of the two types of the cells. One is the plasma cell, another one is the memory cells. Okay, student. And another one, what is the function of the plasma cell? This is the plasma cell. Plasma cell. Plasma cell produce antibodies. Plasma cells produce antibodies into plasma. Okay, into the plasma of the blood. And into the ECF, extracellular fluid also. The fluid present outside of the cell, that is called extracellular fluid. Okay, these are the plasma cells produce antibodies into the plasma and extracellular fluid. Okay, student, and antibodies helps in opsonizing, immobilizing the bacteria, and neutralizing cross-linking of antigens, leading to agglutination of the insoluble antigens, precipitation of the soluble antigens. Okay, in this, firstly, student, this is the B cell. This is with the antibody. B cell surface consists antibodies. These are the antibodies is binds with the antigen with the help of the Fab, fragment of antigen binding. This is the antigen after bind to the Fab. This is engulfed by the B cell and divided into smaller particles. This is called processing of the antigen. After the processing of the antigen, these are called smaller particles which are called antigenic fragments. These are the antigenic fragment is presented by the class 2 MSC molecules of the mature B cell. Okay, and this is recognized by T helper cell. Okay, with the help of the T cell receptor, student, and after stimulation of the T helper cell releases interleukins. Interleukins stimulates the mature B cell to differentiation, proliferation into the two types of the cells. One is the memory cell, another one is the plasma cell. plasma cell produce antibodies, specific type of the antibodies into the plasma and the extracellular fluid. Okay, memory cells stores the information about the production of the same type of the antibodies when anytime the pathogen is enters into the body. Same type of the pathogen, same type of the antigens produces in the body later. Okay, and in this, what about the function of these released antibodies, student? Okay, antibodies helps in opsonizing student, opsonization. What is the meaning of the opsonization? Antibody that makes the antigen into susceptible for phagocytosis, process of the phagocytosis. Antibody that makes the antigen to susceptible for the phagocytosis, that is called opsonizing. Okay, immobilizing, mobility is not possible by the antigen after binding of the antibody with the antigen, immobilizing the bacteria. Next, neutralizing means antibodies reduces the bacterial toxins, okay, produced by microbes, pathogens, that is the toxins are reduces by the antibodies, that is called neutralizing. And cross-linking student, and cross-linking of the antigens, and also leads to agglutination of insoluble antigens. What about the agglutination? Antibody binds with the more amount of the antigens that makes into insoluble clump formation, that is converts into insoluble clumps. Okay, that is agglutination. Next, another student, and agglutination of the insoluble antigens and precipitation of the soluble antigens. What about the precipitation? That means when these are the antibodies binds with the antigen, the type of the antigens are changes into insoluble. These are soluble antigens. By the binding of the antibodies with this type of the antigens, these are the antigens are changes into insoluble precipitates. Okay, after leads to phagocytosis. Student, this is about the precipitation of the soluble antigens. These are all the actions are performed by the antibodies when binds with the specific antigens. Student, it is about the humoral immunity.